Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Many studies shared different health benefits of eating breakfast. When we eat breakfast, it provides essential nutrients needed by our body. It also promotes to have good health when we eat breakfast. It can help us to have better weight management, avoid having a risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease in the long term. Most of us have many reasons for not eating breakfast. We often say that we're too busy, we're not hungry, we're trying to lose weight. Or we didn't practice eating breakfast and it's not our daily routine. These reasons are not acceptable if you want to stay fit and healthy in the long run. Nowadays, there are many quick and creative ideas on how to make an easy and healthy breakfast. There's a lot of healthy breakfast that can be bought, but still, homemade breakfast is the best option. Study shows that people who miss eating breakfast end up eating more the rest of the day than people who eat a solid breakfast every morning. So how can we get the right nutrients that will give us energy and keep us useful and healthy every day? You can spend a little time thinking about what you like and then plan some healthy breakfasts. If you want something that's easy to grab and make, a yummy and healthy smoothie is a good choice. It's better not to grab your smoothie from a nearby store cause you don't know what they put and how they make it. You can buy a good blender or smoothie maker to have at home so you can make your own smoothie in just a minute and you'll know exactly what's in it. For a quick breakfast, try making some burritos and keep them in the freezer. You can use regular or whole wheat tortillas, scrambled eggs, some veggies like bell peppers, lettuce, and onions. Pull one out from the freezer and make it hot in the microwave. Just grab your morning coffee and burrito and you're ready to go. Cereal is considered a healthy breakfast if it's not the only thing you eat. It's better to add some banana or blueberries on top and then pour some soy milk for a healthy dairy addition. Porridge made from millet and rolled oats is a healthy one too. You can put whatever milk you prefer. If it's not your routine eating breakfast, try making fruit jelly sandwich or peanut butter on wheat bread. You can also eat some leftover vegetarian pizza or pasta from dinner. It's also a good breakfast, but don't forget to drink a glass of milk or eat some fruit to get some healthy nutrients in the morning. You can have oatmeal with soy milk, or high-fiber cereal with mixed nuts. Consider having some homemade version of a fast food burger or sandwich. Try also making scrambled, boiled or poached egg together with toasted garlic bread to make your morning breakfast full and healthy. Always remember the importance of breakfast. 1. It gives you energy to start your day. 2. It provides vitamins, minerals and nutrients that your body needs. 3. It helps you to control your weight. 4. It gives you good mental performance. 5. It reduces the chance of getting an illness. 6. It helps you to make better choices of food to eat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like our video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Be Healthy YouTube channel. Always remember, stay happy, stay fit and strong and be healthy.